So hello sir, good evening. So tonight I will be demonstrating my 70% progress of my prototype. So here's the progress. So last time is ito lang yung nagawa ko. Yung profile, login screen and login screen na hindi gumagana. I think that's not necessary na since it's a prototype, I guess. So here we have the Instagram homepage. Oh, wait lang, ibang button na bibindot ko. So here are my components, yung mga uh, I the icons that I downloaded to adds on here sa mismong prototype. So here let me demonstrate. Here mauna muna dito sa homepage. So let's play. Um, Here is the top navigation bar. So where you can see your friend stories. So napapansin nyo is di pa siya ganong tapos. May mga text pa dito na your story, ganyan, dahil sa repeat grid. And also the photos. I don't have the plugins to do the random photos. Hindi kung pwede naman mano-mano. Isa-isang tagi-isang ganyan, eclipse. But I'm lazy to do that. So here if I tap this discovery plugin, pupunta dito sa Creative UI. So I need this plugin sana, but I can't download it. Yun sana yung gagawin para hindi na magmano-mano. Kaso lang, since the application is cracked, I can't download it. Get ayun, compatible app reward, but that's not necessary for now. So let me demonstrate my work. So here the story bar, top navigation bar, yung ibang buttons hindi pa gumagana. Tulad nitong share, react, plus, and here's the Instagram logo, and here's the profile picture of the newsfeed. Kumbaga ito yung newsfeed. Yun, pare-parehas din kasi repeat grid din yung ginamit ko dyan to repeat. And here we can see the other post of the user, just clicking left and right to view the other photos like this, and you can react it just tapping the heart button. But here the other buttons are not yet working, just like this comment, repost, share, and this bookmark button is working. Nag-iiba siya ng kulay. So here ay di ko pa na-add. Just like the application, pag nag-like ka and then sasabihin dito like by Bliat and others. So here's the post's caption, here's the name, and here's the location. So if you scroll down, you can see the other post of the other users, but yun, pare-parehas lang. But you can also tap to see the other posts, just like the other posts. And the other features that I added is these three buttons here. Example, that this one, I'm going to report this photo, for example, like that. Just tapping this. Here, may magpa-pop up na buttons. Here is the link, share, and the report button, and some buttons like why am I seeing this post, hide, or unfollow. So dito di ko pa na-add itong share button na to, and I think I only added this link one, and di ko pa nagawan ng buttons tong ibang text. is that one. If I'm going to share the post just like this, may sasabihin dito na write a message, sa search mo yung friend, pero lahat to is Jenny, 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 yan. So, if I tap send, may, let's say na na-send na doon sa, sa friend mo. So, if I tap the undo button, it will go back to the send button icon, just like that, and that's all like the others. So, all the buttons here are working, the send, pero this one, di pa gumagana tong write a message, itong search bar, friend bar, itong add post to your story. Since a prototype, I was just like prototyping the Instagram application. Kumbaga, parang reference lang ito. And if I tap this one, bababa siya. I forgot to add the animation na pababa. And here are all my components, the Instagram, option overlay, I call this option overlay, this one, and the share overlay. Here's a profile naman. So if I play this one again, so if I tap my profile here muna kasi hindi, here kasi story siya. So here is the profile. If I tap this one, pupunta siya sa profile, profile artboard. Pero dito sa profile artboard, wala pang gumagana na buttons. So, kumbaga dito lang, mapapakita niya lang yung profile mo. And no post yet, as you can see. And here the bottom navigation bar. Here's the home, the reels, camera, search, and also disregard this below profile din, sana din yun, kaso di ko na nagawan. So I'm planning to put a black background here na rin sa profile, since black, naka black to, black background, and then dapat black background din ito. Pero I need a white text or white icons para makita rin itong mga buttons na to. So for example, if I tap I fill this a black background, ganyan yung makikita, diba? Ang pangit. So let's undo that one. So this is my 70% of my work, and I'm still working for it to para maging 100% na rin. I think that's all, sir, and have a good day. Thank you for listening.